rock climbing and rock camping. It is suggested to never try this without a little experience, and the place you move very carefully for going to this one. White river rafting, scuba diving. Places in India where one can enjoy adventure sports. Adventure sports are widely also known as extreme sports or action sports. A normal human does play a decent amount of regular sports in life. Even those people spending extremely sedentary lifestyles must have played some regular sports in their lives. Sports helps a lot in keeping you fit and maintaining a healthy weight. Apart from this, they keep you on a regular adrenaline rush and keep you healthy while you enjoy it as well. While regular sports are considered good for the people with sedentary lifestyles, there is something called adventure sports, which is specifically not for those spending sedentary lifestyle. Those who opt for extreme sports must already be fit and healthy, and this is not used for keeping yourself fit or healthy, but this is for a huge temporary pumping or enjoyment of a person. Adventure sports involve high degrees of risk. Usually, this is a kind of aggressive sports which may prove to be very horrifying and very enjoyable for others, and usually involves a height, speed, highly specialized gears and a very high level. How popular are adventure sports? Adventure sports attract more and more youngsters. Facing challenges makes people happy. The adventure feels great specifically for youngsters. Several surveys have suggested that more and more youngsters want to at least try adventure sports once in a lifetime, and many actually save money to do it at least once a year. This industry is growing, and the youngsters have started realizing how great these are and understand the potential risk here as well. Since the population of people under 30 in India is about 60 to 70%, that is very high, the craze for the adventure sports in India is increasing rapidly. What are some adventure sports? Some of the most famous adventure sports across the world are ATV riding, snowboarding, surfing, canyoning, paraskiing, gliding, wingsuit flying, highlining, volcano boarding, free diving, caving, mountain biking, and many more. Just hearing of these names gives chills to the people who have experienced them. Some of the very famous extreme adventure sports played in India are as following. Number 1. Bungee jumping. Imagine you are on the top of a cliff and somebody pushed you down. The same adrenaline rush and fear which you will experience at the time will blow your mind, and you can experience bungee jumping. The only difference here is that you will not die. You will be tied by an elastic cord and you will be pushed through a tower or a cliff or a beach. Here, you can experience free fall, which is a fascinating experience for extreme sport lovers. Apart from that, the part where the elastic string stretches and gives you a rebound is also great. Many love bungee jumping specifically for this part. This hardly gives you 2.5 seconds of a free fall, but it is worth it. The highest point for bungee jumping in India is Jump in Heights in Mohanchatti, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. It is 83 meter high and cost around 3,550 rupees. Number 2. Skydiving. Skydiving, one needs a little more knowledge and courage as well. Imagine somebody pushing you down through an aeroplane when it is at the highest peak. Freaking out in the middle of the air is not really a good option here. This is usually done in a group of 3, or those who are experienced in this like to hold hands together or competes about who reaches the surface earliest and some other cool stuff. One jumps with a parachute bag with him and has to open it little before they reaches near the surface in order to grab a safe landing. This one is far more exciting as well as dangerous as compared to bungee jumping. The time of free fall totally depends on the height of the plane and the courage of the diver, but it usually ranges between 60 to 30 seconds. As the height increases, time increases. This gives you a great deal of time to enjoy the glow from the height and enjoy the wind bashing your body. These are costlier, and at every site before going for these sports, the instructor gives complete instruction of do's and don'ts which one must listen carefully. They also teach their audience about the different kinds of jumps and the many places that have different prices for different jumps. The best place for skydiving in India is operated by Thrills Extreme in Ambi Valley, Maharashtra. They make you fall from the height of 10,000 feet. They are famous for their tandem jumps. They charge 20,000 rupees from Monday to Thursday and 25,000 rupees from Friday to Sunday. Third, scuba diving. Scuba diving is also known as snorkeling and diving. Imagine you have been pushed inside a sea. You can swim to the bottom and you have oxygen for about a couple of hours. You can explore the sea. You can watch exciting sea animals and plants in their natural habitat. Here, you are provided with a breathing apparatus or an oxygen cylinder with a diving suit that helps you to penetrate deep inside the sea. Usually diving sites are constructed near shipwrecks as there is more to see and it attracts more sea animals, giving the diver a better experience. This is not only beautiful but dangerous as well. Taking yourself deep down the sea is actually a challenging task. To do this, one needs to have a medical certificate. Number 4. Rock climbing. One may know and had done in their life a great deal of mountaineering or trekking. One must have gone on the mountain for walks and all, but ever imagine actually climbing a huge rock with bare hands. If the rock is one of the few feet and the angle is near to 90 degrees, that is fine. But some people like to climb rocks of heights in a few hundreds of feet. Thinking of it freaks a normal person out by tying a piece of a rope to your waist, climbing up a huge rock with bare hands to the top with the fear of falling down. This is like the worst nightmare. Rock climbing and rock camping. It is suggested to never try this without a little experience and the place you move very carefully for going to this one. India specifically has a great potential for rock climbing of few feet. If you are in a group, rock climbing can be followed by a vertical cliff face camping. Imagine camping on the edge of mountain. The picture shown here will help you more to understand this. Making tents or camping at this part, with this I mean spending the night or sleeping here is a great height. You need guts to sleep here. Number 5. White river rafting. It is also known as river rafting. All must have seen slow moving rivers, but there are some very aggressive rivers that have huge stones in their paths. Imagine being on a boat with a few of your friends trying to control the raft with 2 rowing sticks in each of your hands. Here, you will have to try not to get thrown out of the raft with the force of the river and avoid as many rocks to hit the raft as possible in order to survive. These sports sometimes turn into a very deadly one. One must know about the flow of the water, the speed and the basics of rafting. Here, in order to avoid death or serious injuries by getting thrown out of the raft or by getting smashed on the rocks. There are different classes of difficulty levels in white water rafting. A basic idea of them is as follows. Level 1. Very basic. Moving water with the small waves. This one is more of like boating than rafting and is a nice way for relaxing. Level 2. Waves up to 3 feet tall and wide channels. A little maneuvering is required here. Level 3. Waves up to 4 feet high and the passage is narrow. The shimmying of a boat can be observed from this level and water splashes on the sides of the raft. This one is actually feels a little exciting. Level 4. Narrow passages, precise maneuvering is required. Long waves and difficult rapids. Fear develops, heartbeat increases. Level 5. Larger, more complex, gushing, twisting and spinning rapids and harder to manage. Level 6. These can be called extreme or suicidal ones. These can include waterfalls. Enjoying each level for the beginner starting from level 1 and ending at 4 or maximum 5 gives them a great experience at all. Level 6 must be avoided and must only be performed by the experts. For those who are looking for the best countries to do adventure sports, here are the top 10 countries for the adventure sports in the ranking order are Brazil, Italy, Spain, Greece, Thailand, Portugal, New Zealand.